Alright, we finished our head. We got the mouth installed and everything's working good on it now. So last thing we want to do now is we want to put our wig piece on, and I'm going to be using this fur here for gray hair for him. You notice I keep everything marked because I work on more than one head at a time, so I need to keep them marked so I don't end up mixing pieces or whatever. Okay, first thing we want to do is we measure around it and see how big of a piece of fur we're going to be needing. And I always cut a little bit bigger for trimming, so I'll measure this around here, then I'll measure from here down, so I got an idea how big of a piece I need to cut off my roll. We put a line across here, so that's where we know we want to put that. So when we put this on here, that's where it's going to be. So what we do is we turn this over this way and we'll staple it on like this. That's so you're not going to see this seam line on there. So we need to get it centered. So we're about right there. So we're going to staple this on. And we always staple it on because if you ever have to get inside to fix anything, you just take the staples out to take the wig off back here, and you take these two screws out here, and then this plate piece will come off. You can get inside if you ever have to fix the string or your spring breaks or something. If you ever have to get inside to do something, this is your access to that. So we always use staples because they'll come out easy, and you get it, if you got a staple gun, you just pop them back in. So we put one here and one there. Same thing over here. Put one here and one up here. So now when you peel it back and lay it down, it's going to hide that edge line so you won't see it, because that edge line is tucked underneath. This goes down behind the ear. Pull this down like this. So now you got a good line here for your wig piece. So all we have to do now is we need to trim this up back here. Come up a little bit. We'll need to trim these sides on an angle here so it fits right. So we'll trim this all up and then staple that down, and then we're ready to move on to the next step. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section and I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.